फिर से रिलीज कर दिया है,
Yes.
स्टिल वो बहुत बॉक्स ऑफिस को ब्रेक कर रही है, तो हाउ डू यू फील कि इतना लॉन्ग पीरियड में भी वापस से रिलीज किया है और उसको उतनी अप्रिसिएशन मिली जितनी पहले मिली थी?
एक्चुअली एज एन एक्टर इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अनबिलीवेबल कि कैसे एक फिल्म के ऊपर इतना मेनिया हो सकता है कि एक फिल्म री रिलीज हो एंड गेट सच अ गुड रिसेप्शन. लाइक नॉर्मली यू सी फिल्म्स लाइक से शोले या शायद कोई रजनीकांत सर की फिल्म जो री रिलीज़ हुई हो, एंड हम बहुत खुशनसीब है कि बाहुबली री रिलीज़ हुई है. एंड आई एम श्योर दिस इज़ लाइक इट्स अ बिग डील इन एनी एक्टर्स करियर कि वो बोल सके कि मेरी फिल्म 2 साल के बाद फिर से री रिलीज़ हुई. एंड व्हाट आई सी इज अ जेन्युइन एक्साइटमेंट कि लोग ये जो फॉर्मेट है पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 का उसे अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. एंड दे वांट टू बी कनेक्टेड विद द स्टोरी. एंड जहाँ से फिल्म जहाँ से उन्होंने छोड़ी थी second part, they want to start it off right from there, so that connection is what people are wanting to watch, and that's why they're going again to the theaters is what I think. And that makes this format really interesting. And I guess ये फिल्म के बाद शायद और फिल्म मेकर्स इंस्पायर हों कि उन्हें पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 करके फिल्में बनानी चाहिए.
ये पहली मूवी है जो 4K हाई डेफिनेशन फॉर्मेट में शूट हुई है.
Yes.
सो लाइक काफ़ी फिल्म मेकर इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं इससे और काफ़ी अभी ये फॉर्मेट को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
But I don't know the technicality, but I'm assuming nowadays most um, big films and stuff that needs to go on digital media needs to be in 4K to be shown. If I'm not wrong, I'm not sure if I'm communicating this right. But yes, I mean Bahubali has definitely pushed the envelope when it comes to using technology, because there was a camera in fact that was made which is called 360 BB. That was made specifically for shooting Bahubali, and now of course it's a camera that can be used for other films as well, but the camera itself was actually made from the perspective of shooting Bahubali. So and Bahubali is also entered into VR, virtual reality, which is जिसके अभी booths लगेंगे in most of our malls close to us, which gives you the experience of seeing a set or a place in a 360 view after wearing a headset. Graphic novels, TV series, Bahubali film शायद इस फिल्म के साथ conclude हो, but the world of Bahubali should continue with all these different mediums.
सो व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ रोल यू आर प्लेइंग इन बाहुबली 2 और कितना प्रिपरेशन की इस रोल को निभाने के लिए?
So my part is I'm playing the exact same character. That was the whole part of the whole purpose of the part 1, that we established characters, and I play Avantika, so it's the same character. You'll see me in action most of the time in the part 2, and I'm a part of the war, which is the most like I think in Indian celluloid, I hope this is like a war which will be remembered. And so yeah, I mean my character pretty much remains the same, but it was very exciting for me to shoot because sword fighting के lessons वापस से लेने पड़े, physically बहुत fit होना पड़ा. Also I had to train in horse riding, so it was a lot of different arenas I needed to tap to make sure that I was ready and prepared to shoot for the film.
सो एक न्यू कैरेक्टर भी देखने मिल रहा है अनुष्का का, तो उनके
Yes.
साथ काम करके कैसा लगा?
So Sweetie, I've known her since like the beginning of my career. In fact, she was the first actress who helped me when I started working in the movies. मुझे एक costume designer की ज़रूरत थी, तो she helped me out, and that's how we actually became friends, and we kept in touch. Sweetie has actually spent 5 years of her the peak of her career in this film, and I think that's a lot from a mainstream actress. And yeah, I mean she has a full-fledged character in the part 2, which will be very very exciting for all her fans, people who watch her work and people who like her work. And yeah, I think she's going to look really majestic in this film.
सो इफ आपका पर्सनल व्यू जाना जाए तो बाहुबली 1 और बाहुबली 2 सबसे ज़्यादा आपको कौन सी पसंद आई?
I haven't seen part 2. In fact, I haven't seen anything more than what you have seen. So I think I'll have to watch both the parts to know which one I like more.
ओके, तमन्ना जी, क्योंकि बाहुबली ब्लॉकबस्टर रही है, तो जब ब्लॉकबस्टर होने के बाद इंटरनेशनली इतना अप्रिशिएट करने के बाद जब 2 की जब शूटिंग होती है, तो सेट पर क्या माहौल होता है? क्योंकि फिल्म ऑलरेडी ये जो एक फिल्म ऑलरेडी हिट हो चुकी है, हिट हो चुकी है, इंटरनेशनली लोगों ने इसे अप्रिशिएट किया, इतना प्यार दिया. अब 2 की जब शूटिंग होती है तो सेट पर क्या कुछ माहौल होता है? अगर कुछ हमें आप बताना चाहें.
वेल जब हम इस बार सेट पे गए थे तो आई थिंक वी वर मच बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड, क्योंकि you kind of know what to expect when you go on set. जब पहला film shoot हो रहा था तो it was every day was like completely brand new. We wouldn't know what to expect and it would surprise us, and of course we were shooting it with a green mat, so we knew what we were doing, but background कैसे होने वाला है या locations कैसे दिखने वाले, ये दुनिया कैसे दिखने वाली थी, इसका कोई भी idea नहीं था हमें. But of course जब हम second part shoot कर रहे थे तो we could somewhat fathom, अच्छा you know this is how Maheshmati looks, so this is how the world is going to look. So there was a lot more familiarity of course, and we were much better prepared. I think VFX पे भी ज़्यादा फोकस हुआ है कि we want to get better quality out of it, क्योंकि ये 2 साल के बाद ये film आ रही है, and as every day elapses technology is getting better, so we had the opportunity of using that, thanks to the fact that the first part did well, and yeah, so that was how we experienced our going back again into Bahubali set.
We have seen you normally act as a comedy and romantic genre. So how has Bahubali developed you as an actor? Because we have mostly seen you as an intense dialogue and intense character.
Correct.
So how it has developed you as an actor?
पहली बात है कि for a film I had to do action for the first time of this much length, and basically full-fledged action, and I had a huge fear of heights, and this film, working on this film actually helped me overcome that. More than that, it also made me realize that लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं अलग अलग किरदार करूँ. I attempt different roles, different characters, and I've just shot for a film in which I play a deaf and mute girl, and I've gone completely sans makeup, and that's for a Hindi film which is being produced by Vashu Bagnani sir. I'm collaborating with Prabhu sir again, but in a completely different framework. So I thought it would be very interesting कि लोग हमें already एक बार पर्दे पर देख चुके हैं, but when the complete atmosphere and characters change, how do people look like that? So their entire experience of working on this film was very, very exciting.
Women centric film कैसे बनाऊँ उसे?
Yes, it is a heroine centric film. So yeah, I think maybe Bahubali had that effect. Like people want to cast me more for central parts, and of course अगर आप last year देखें तो in Indian films, Hindi films especially, most of the good films were female centric films. So that's very encouraging again, and I hope that filmmakers also choose to make more female centric films.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And wish you all the best.
Thank you for coming home, you guys. Thank you.